Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make some Pom-Pom and Pom-Pom banners. So, here we go. Wait, before you guys watch the video and tell you what to do, make sure to always subscribe and hit that like button. If we get to 1,000 likes, we are going to read the comments and do
choose a video from there.
Choose a video because we don't have any ideas. So yeah, that would be awesome if you guys could do that. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. That would be awesome. So thank you. And
let's get on to the video.
So yeah,
what you're going to need is you're going to need scissors, a trash can, and some yarn.
Oh wait.
So to start off the pom-poms, what you're going to need to...
Oh wait, I'm going to get some red. You can do whatever color you would like. And then we're going to show you some multicolor.
And this is to make the pom-poms. To make the pom-poms, what you're going to do is you're going to start wrapping it around your hand. However big you want it depends on how many times you're going to wrap it around your hand. If you want it pretty big, you're going to wrap it around your hand several times. But if you want it kind of small, you're not going to do it that much. I don't mind. We want ours to be kind of medium sized, so we're going to keep doing a little bit more.
But if you want it a little tiny, you should probably stop right here, but make sure to not do it too tight, or else you're going to lose circulation, and you would not like that.
Yeah, don't do it too tight.
Don't do that, guys.
I think mine's about done.
I'm going to keep on going for a sec. I go pretty fast. So
yeah, okay.
Whoops.
So I think mine's about done.
Same. So
you're going to cut it off.
You're going to cut it off.
Wrap that rest around.
Right here.
And you're going to get about a foot of string, or a foot of yarn, and cut that.
Oh, one sec.
Okay, so with this, you're going to take your yarn off your hand, and you're going to place it on this little string. What you're going to do from there is you're going to tie the string around the yarn really, really tight, like really tight. And you're going to double knot it, or for me, I triple knot it, or even could quadruple knot it, but just so that it stays placed. And then for me, what I do really, just so that it doesn't come loose, is I get the yarn and I turn it around so that it goes like this, and then I double knot it one last time, just so that it doesn't come out when we're cutting it. And yeah, that's how you tie it.
And I haven't done that part yet, but once you take it off your hand, this is what it's going to look like. No matter size it is, it's going to look like that. And this is what it's going to look like when it has it around. And let me do the string part, and we will do that off camera. So let's do it. So if you guys want to do what I do, if you're going to do what I do, grab your trash can already. And, oh, sorry, it's in the way. So if you have hanging string, cut that and put it in your trash can. Cut it over your trash can. And for me, if I have like any loose parts like that, I would cut them right there.
And after that, what you're going to do is you have all these little loops in the pom-pom. You're going to go around and cut every single one of those loops.
And then it'll make it go poof, poof. And then we'll tell you how it is.
After.
Yep. So here we go. Yesterday we were doing this, and it got all over the floor, so it wasn't good.
It was messy.
And make sure to put it down in the trash can. So you're going to cut all of it to make it pretty short, but do not go too short. And once you go pretty short, make sure it's all even. But
you're going to make it into like a little ball shape.
Yeah, and when I'm done, I just like clean it up to make it look all even. But for me, at the start, forgot a couple parts. So for me, and by the way, I missed a couple parts during that time lapse, and this is how you can cut it. Look, right here. Do you see that? I hope you did. So you put your scissors right there, make sure it goes all the way through, like that, snip, and then it makes it all poofy. So we're gonna cut it to make it short, and then I clean it up to make it go even, and yeah, we're gonna do that. So here we go.
Okay, so once you're done with cutting it, you kind of end up with this. Once you're done with that, you kind of want to roll it in your hands for a little bit just to make it the perfect ball shape. And there's your pom-pom.
Just so you know, if you use like this type of really, really soft yarn, and once you're finished with the pom-pom, and you can like, it's so soft. It's like as soft as a brand new stuffed animal, and it's like, oh my gosh. So I did clean it up. You saw that in that time lapse, and I did clean it up. It's sometimes I have to clean it up again. It's not it actually gets more time on the yarn. Oh wait, never mind. It's got a little hat.
Okay, so there's your pom-pom. But if you want to make a banner, what you're going to do is you're going to get, same thing, about a foot of yarn.
And I'm not going to do a banner. I'm just going to leave a pom-pom if you want to see the comparison to a banner and a pom-pom. So, yeah. And remember, I'm going to show you that banner right there on the door. And you can use whatever string you want. We're not telling you to do a specific type of string, a specific color. You guys can do whatever you want with it.
Okay.
You can, whatever.
Let's get on to making the banner. Okay, so what you're going to do, like I said, you're going to cut off about a foot of yarn. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your pom-pom and place it on the yarn. You're kind of going to do the same thing, but with like you did last time, but you're going to double knot it. Just like so. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have your string. As you can see, I've kind of already started my banner. I started it yesterday, but yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your yarn, you're going to put it over the string.
And look how long that is. She worked on it yesterday. I swear it has to be like 5 feet at least. Like, it's so long.
Okay.
If you guys were here to see it, it would be so long. It looks shorter on the camera, but
So,
yeah.
What you're going to do is you are going to get it over the yarn, or over the string, and kind of tie it again. And you're going to double knot it to make sure that it really doesn't come off. So this is coming off.
Sorry about that, guys. So here we are.
What you're going to do is you're going to get it on your yarn, and you are going to double knot it or triple knot it, just so to be sure that it doesn't come off.
Or even quadruple knot it.
So, then what you're going to do with that, you are going to snip the piece off, and there you go. You have your little pom-pom on your banner.
And you guys can do it as long as you want, like Bailey did, because you can do as many pom-poms, and then you cut it as long as you want for the end. And, yeah, boom. And here's a comparison to the pom-pom.
To this.
Which one do you like better? Comment down below. Leave a like if you like this, and subscribe if you like that. So
and now we're going to show you how to make multicolored pom-poms, and then that'll be the end of the video.
And here is a multicolor we made. The first pom-pom I made today was this one. I made it 3 colors. We can tell you how to make it as many colors as you want. So now we're going to do a multicolor. Bailey's going to do 2 colors. I'm going to do 3 colors. And by the way, leave a like if you like the original pom-pom better. If you like the banner better, I can't lift it because it's kind of fragile. If you like the banner, subscribe and click that notification bell. But if you like the multicolor, comment which one looks better, the 2 color or the 3 color. I would probably say 3 color. That's why I chose it. I'm gonna win.
So, what you do is it's kind of like the same one, but what you're going to do is you're going to get all your colors in one, and you're going to start wrapping it around your hand.
Oh, and Bailey's going to use red and black. I'm going to use gray, green, and yellow. So, you can line it up whatever way you would like. So, it's kind of like a normal pom-pom, right? But you just do this. And one sec, let me grab my yellow. And, yeah. So here, you'll put it like that. Sorry, you can't see the green, but like that. And you'll do the same thing with a normal pom-pom, right? And because it's just like a normal pom-pom. Oops, I'm messing up here. Clumsy here. And yeah, but if you do a multicolor, I'll tell you in the next part because it's the next part. But you guys get to choose out of whatever color you would like. Like if you did 3 colors, for whatever color you would like to wrap it with, you can choose that color. I think it would look better with one of the colors that you use for it, but you can choose. You guys can do whatever with it, and you can do whatever with your pom-pom. Oh shoot, where's my scissors? Scissors. They're right there. Oh, thanks. I have to reach backwards and I can't see. Okay. So, once you do that,
once you wrap it around several times, you're going to choose one of the colors that you like the most.
it's gonna be the same steps as a normal pom-pom, but it's gonna be like a big pom-pom with extra string. So, yeah. And you guys can choose whatever color you would like from the thing. I would prefer from one of the colors that you do for the multicolor, but you guys can do whatever you want. I'm not telling you guys what to do.
So what you can do is you're going to cut off another foot of string.
Yes.
And you're going to tie it like we did before.
I'm going to cut my foot. Here's my foot. And,
of string.
not this foot. No. Oh no, it's falling apart. Jeez.
Okay, so you're going to tie it really taut like the other one.
Yeah, really taut. And if there's noises in your house, this is going to be kind of hard because you guys really need to concentrate for this. It's like, yeah. But if you do a multicolor, I can't pronounce anything today. Yeah, if you can, it'll loosen itself, it'll loosen itself, like, look, and then it just loosened. You guys probably couldn't see it because it's on camera. And yeah, if you guys were here, I swear you guys have to feel, if you guys were, yeah, our stuff. It's
okay, so we are going to cut it and we'll be right back.
Real quick. We just finished. We did it pretty quick.
Here's the final product.
And here we are. One sec.
I made this one yesterday, but I think it's my favorite one.
Yeah, I like that one too. It's pretty cool. And wait a second. I'm wondering if I did.
What?
Because before the video, I said, Bailey, do you want a pom-pom in whatever color you would like? So she chose pink,
and gray.
Pink, black, and gray. She's throwing the pom-poms at me. I don't think I finished it or even started it.
Did I? Yeah, you did.
Oh wait, no, that's the yellow one.
Nope, it's a pink.
Yeah, you didn't ask for yellow. That was
Oh
the
yeah,
first one.
never mind.
Yeah, I didn't even start it, but it didn't turn out what I thought it would be. Oh, I'm gonna have to do a little cleanup real quick, so we don't have to do this a quick time lapse because Bailey, you can talk to them. Well,
so we've made a lot of pom-pom in the past couple of days. We've made this one.
I think-
this one.
oh wait, no, it was
This
actually
one,
yesterday because
and the
I
little
made my first pom-pom yesterday, and now I'm starting to love it. This is the second day, and we made, in all, I think we made at least like 50, 40. I don't know. We made so many.
That's all for the video, guys.
We hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that like button and
stay home, stay safe.
stay healthy.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. Bye.